Jamaica, watch this.
Oh, come out, people, come out of the house! Come out of the house! People, come out of the house! Move from this, man! Come out of the house, my lad! Come out of the house! It'll come! See that? See that going around to now? Everything I go. Take up on the jump now, the passport and the paper documents. Take up on the documents. Come on, show up the life, people, show up the life. This is what's happening in bars right here, man. I no joke something. A big serious something I go on here. Big something I go on. What you mean? The whole of this I go better. The whole of it I go. What you mean if there's a... Yo, listen what me I tell you, say. Then say the storm no reach I yet, brother. Me afraid. Because the 20 inches of water we are coming, the whole community have a wash way. You know, put on a bottom yard. I want to your brother.